Rumwe zuva gushungo vaidarika nemuna Bulawayo Road vachienda kumusha kwaZvimba. Madzimai emukuwadzana ndobva asimudza hove. Ndobva vakomana vafonyerwa kunzi endai munovazvanda. Ayayayayayaya. Mavendors emukuwadzana akarikitwa. Achiroverwa kuti mukuru kana achidarika amusimudze hove. Munotengesera president hove kuti zviite sei. Pana noiziva nyaya ndikutaura iyi. Vakazvandwa madzimai emukuwadzana. Vakasvika kumba vasingachagone kugara. Zvakuti zvinezvi vanhu vanoti kana vakaona zimbabweans ichidarika vamwe vanowira mubridge. Vozobuda zvavo vachipukuta mavhu aenda. Vanoti hazve mubridge muri nani unoona ngorumwa nemago patinosara uri mupenyu. Kutyiwa kusvikira vanhu vakupinda mumaburi nekutya mutungamiriri. The kingdom cares about its people. The church cares about the pastor. Is he eating well? He needs a grocery every month. Let's contribute. Mai mfundisi wadaurwa musoro. Ndawana vanodaurikisa mai mfundisi musoro. Kana varukwa musoro mai mfundisi nemari yechechi. Avamhorese vanhu vacho vakavarukisa musoro. Vanopinda so vachide voskogara kumberi tasa. Muri kudadadzika zvenyama yemufundisi. Imari yedu yakakurukisai musoro. Munogochinyira sei vanhu vacho vari kukuchenesai? How does that work for you? Can your prophet come to your house and sleep in your house? Ask your neighbor, could he do that? He is too royal. This elitism is toxic. It is a misrepresentation of the humility of Christ. A shepherd must sleep where the sheep are sleeping. A shepherd must walk where the sheep are walking. A shepherd must drink what the sheep are drinking. That's how much love a shepherd must have for the sheep. The Queen of Sheba did not say, happy are thy wives. Happy are thy children. Pastor comment. Pastor Balo is laughing. Pastor, you must remember that in verse number 7, the queen was talking about the king's wisdom. When we say Solomon was wise, this is the test of Solomon's wisdom. He was able to make happy everyone that worked for him. From the little, the smallest, that one who does the most inferior job, to the generals and the cabinet ministers. They served Solomon with joy. He treated them well. He cared about them. That's a kingdom for you. We are doing Apostles Empowerment Program. We are not Wiki Chivaya. We have free money to give every day. We can only give you when we have the money. It's an effort to cry and see what are our women up to. Can we uplift your lives? Those are not loans that you must pay back. It's an empowerment that is coming from love for you, the children of God. Given the resources, we would love to give everyone adequate capital to start any business of their choice. So that when you are in the house of God like this, you don't have to be worried and worrying about bills that are not yet paid. That's the agenda. Children of God must walk with dignity.
Yes.
All right. Read it before Pastor Baloyi comments verse 7 and 8 again. I want us to remember that she attaches Solomon's wisdom to the joy of his servants, not his wives and children. Ndakasvika kumba kwaSolomon, ava vakadzi vake vanofara. Vakakureka sei kuve vachienda kuParis kunoita shopping? Handiwo vanoenda kuDubai kunoshopa vachipfeka maearring emari zhinji. Vanofara kavari kutengerwa zvinhu zvinodhura. Tiudzei kuti vamakapwanyira dzimba vamaramba tsvina vari kufarawo here. Tiudzei kuti vana vamakaita kuhondo vari kufara here. Tizive kuti munogona. Tell us about Asibisa.
Osibisa. Osibisa.
Mukadzi wangu ari kufara zvisingaiti nevanhu vangu. Saka I'm a good leader. Read it, verse 7 and 8.
Howbeit, I believed not the words until I came.
Yes.
And mine eyes had seen it.
You have seen with your eyes.
And behold, the half was not told me.
What have you seen, Queen of Sheba?
Thy wisdom and
You have
prosperity,
seen wisdom of Solomon.
and prosperity exceeds the fame which I had.
Can you prove the wisdom and the prosperity of Solomon?
Happy are thy men.
Happy
Yes.
are your people.
Yes.
Yes.
Happy are these thy servants, which stand continually before thee, and that hear thy wisdom.
Imagine if we had 3 presidents in Africa who were half like this. Pastor Balo, you can come in now.
Yeah, it's a very important template that we are seeing in the scriptures.
Yes.
When I was laughing, I was laughing because I was reminded of the first time I came into the ministry.
All right.
So I'm laughing. I was laughing with my food because she knows how the expectation that I had, and also that those who were around me had when they heard that I was a pastor.
Okay.
And the template that I then received when
You
I
saw
came.
an empty shell.
Yes, I realized that no, being a pastor is not what you get,
Yes.
but it's actually what you give.
Yes.
Amen.
To the extent that if you do not have a word to change people's lives, you should be ashamed of yourself as a shepherd. Or if you cannot reach out to affect people's lives, then what are you pastoring?
Yes, Pastor. Thank you very much for that. Happy are thy men.
Yes.
Solomon, I'm going to I'm wise because I'm happy. Personally, I'm happy. I don't care about anyone else. To God be the glory.